Hello everyone, hope you guys are having a great time. Planning to buy a new car? Then you should take safety in the first priority because safety matters first, and if you have life, only then you will have cars. If you are someone who gives priority to safety over the fuel efficiency, then here are the India's top 5 most safest car under 10 lakhs. Before starting the video, if you guys are new here, consider subscribing. So on the 5th position is the Volkswagen Polo. As per the test done by the Global NCAP, Polo has received 4 stars safety rating for the variant with the dual airbag. Polo also received 3 star safety rating for the child. Price of the Volkswagen Polo starts from 5.87 lakhs and goes all the way up to 9.69 lakhs. On the 4th position is the Tata's Tiago and Tigor. Both these cars are made with similar structures and have scored 4-star adult safety rating on the safety test and achieved 3 stars for the child safety. Price of the Tiago starts from 5.39 lakh to 7.49 lakh and that of Tiago starts from 4.69 lakh to 6.73 lakhs. On the 3rd position is the Tata Nexon. Nexon was the first car from Tata Motors to achieve 5-star safety rating and achieve 3 stars for the child safety. Price of the Nexon starts from 6.99 lakhs to 12.7 lakhs. On second, we have the Tata Altroz. We get dual airbag as standard on this car. Tata Altroz scored 5 stars for the adult safety and 3 stars for the child safety. Price of the Altroz varies from 5.44 lakh to 9.35 lakh. And on the number 1 safest car under 10 lakh is the Mahindra XUV300. XUV300 scored 5 stars for the adult safety and 4 stars for the child safety. Price of the XUV300 starts from 7.94 lakh and goes all the way up to 12.29 lakhs. So this was all for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, and if you guys are new here, consider subscribing. Thank you so much for watching and see you guys on the next video. Take care.